Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Edwin. On this channel, I share with you about how to make money in Web 2 and also in Web 3. On this video, I'm going to be sharing a whole lot around digital trading. And on this episode, I'm going to be focusing on using bots for your trades. How can you use bots to execute trades instantly? I have different trading bots here. I have Bloom trading bot, I have Maestro, I have Trojan, and then which other one? Right? Okay, I think that's what I have. Right. Uh, Now there are different trading bots, and then uh, these trading bots support different chains. For Bloom trading, you can trade on three different chain. You can trade on Solana, you can trade on Tone, you can trade on BNB. These are the three chains that Bloom Trading Bot supports, right? I'll be dropping my referral link on the description of this video too. You can sign up to Bloom if you want to use Bloom, right? But then I have my preference, right? I have my preference. Maestro here has different chains you can trade. If you click on wallet, you see that it supports BSC, Base, Ethereum, Monad, Sonic, Avas, Arbitrum, Hype, Tone, and CRX. Now, if I want to trade BSC, I use this. If I want to trade Ethereum, I use this. If I want to trade Solana, I either use Bloom or I use what's it called? Trojan, right? Or I use Trojan. Now, or I make use of Jupiter Studio, right? But Jupiter Studio is not a bot, even though it's fast, but not a bot. I use Maestro majorly for BSC and Ethereum. For Solana, I use that Trojan bot, or I use that of Bloom. Now, all of these are Telegram bots, right? All you just need to do is click on the link or get their main username. This is it, and then you'll be able to have them, and you can create a folder on the Telegram and have them arranged just like you can say I have different bots here for different purposes. Now, how do you trade with a bot? What you need to do is to place a trade, you must have funded your wallet. And the same strategy I just demonstrated on the previous video on funding wallet is the same thing you can use. Now, how do you buy a token? Now, if this BSC project, like it's one of the trade we went in recently, and you can see we did about I think 500% on the trade. You can see, right? Now, if I want to maybe okay, let's go back to how I went into this trade so that you can see how I went into this trade the first time. So immediately I got the signal. Immediately I got the wallet address, contract address, you can say I pasted it. It extracted content immediately, information about the trade immediately. And the next thing I did was I clicked on buy and it bought immediately. So I click, if you want to trade, you can either click on 0.01 to buy or 0.05 BNB. This is BNB, right? This is for BSC chain, not Solana. Now, if once you insert the contract address, it will extract everything about the details and the chain immediately, right? And you must have funded your wallet before this. If you don't fund your wallet, you'll not be able to trade fast. So fund the wallet you want to use, and then either import it on your trade, on your bot, or create a wallet on the bot if it's your first time, copy the wallet and start using. Once you fund it, right? Once you fund it, you'll be able to place a trade. Now you can set slippage to 10%, right? You can leave it on 10%. If it's not by default, you can set it 10%. And once you drop a signal to extract the content, and then it will ask you if it's 0.05, 0.5 MB, BNB, whatever it is, just know the value, prepare everything ahead so that once it drops, you'll be able to jump in immediately, right? Now, in my case, I may want to buy X BNB if what I want is not here, meaning it's going to ask me to type it. It will prompt me with a message to reply. and it will ask me to type. I can type 0.02 BNB. Once I send it, it will buy automatically. And that was exactly what happened here. You can see transaction successful, approved. And I bought this token. I bought it at 20,000 market cap, and the project went to, it's currently over 100,000, went to over 100 something thousand. That's why you could see that profit that was showing 500%. So it went to as high as 500%. So that's how bot works to make it fast. And the same way you are buying fast, you can also sell fast with the bot, right? You can also sell fast. So how do you sell? You just go to your bot, click on spams the bot menu. It will extract all the menu's content. The next thing you do is click on positions. Then you see all the trades that you are holding, right? Or you can just paste the contract address of that project. It will extract the project. You just click on sell. Like this one, I'll just click on sell all, or sell X amount, or sell by percentage, either 75, 50%, or 100. Once I click on sell, it will sell everything immediately. It will sell everything. And once it sells, that's it. So bot helps you to trade as fast as possible. You can still sell on pancake swap like I did for BSC, or you can use this to sell as fast as possible. This is for BSC, right? This is applicable to others. Now, if you want to check that of Trojan, if you go to Trojan, you can see you have to paste the wallet address. You can see you paste the wallet address. You must have funded your wallet, right? Either you create a wallet here, right? You can create a wallet here, or you import your wallet. How do you import your wallet? If you click on wallet, you see what you see here is my wallet, right? This is my wallet, and this is my referral commission. You can also use my trading bot referral link. I'll drop it also. This is the generated Solana wallet. I can copy this and send to this, or I can import my existing wallet. I just have to select, go and copy the public key, right? That was written for security reasons. I'll copy it. Then I'll come to this place. I'll click on settings. I'll click on settings, and then I'll click on wallets. I'll click on wallets. Once I click on wallets, it will give me, it's taking time. It will give me an option to either import a wallet or export my wallet. If you're importing a wallet, if you just click on import, and you'll be able to import your wallet, right? Even though I might still drop other videos or around that, but that is how you can go ahead with your bot, fund it, copy the wallet address, fund it. Once you paste the link, just the same way we did on the other one, if you paste it to extract the content, once it extract the content, you can click the amount of SOL you want to buy. If it's 0.01 SOL, you click on it, or you just click X slippage. No, now not X slippage. It's supposed to be X SOL. Yes, this one. Click on this that has pencil, and then you'll be able to edit the amount of Solana you want to buy. It will prompt you to type, just like you can see here, enter SOL amount. So I'll just click on maybe 0.2 SOL, and then it will update it. It will update it. Now, it has updated it to what? You can see it was not able to buy, insufficient, because I was not having any fund. So it was not able to buy, right? So once you do that, you are good to go. What I did was I was trying to use this buy bot icon. So you can see 0.0. It's not going to be 0.02 actually. Let me just copy this and paste it again. Let's see. Once I paste, let's see what happens. You can see it extracted the content, the details of the project, and then this is the amount of SOL I will buy, 0.2 is $16. Price impact is just 0.2%. Once, if I click on buy, it will buy immediately, right? And that's how you trade fast. So set everything intact, and then once you get the contract, just copy it and then paste it immediately. Paste it as fast as possible. Ensure you set the amount of SOL you want to buy ahead. Keep it intact so that by the time it drops,
You just click on buy, it buys automatically. So this is how all of this works, right? Even though there are other features, more advanced features like limits and a whole lot, we'll look into that or into all of this in subsequent videos. I hope you find this video valuable. If you do, let me know in the comment section. Like this video, and if this is your first time to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that once I drop more valuable videos around trading, how to make money in Web 2 and Web 3, you will be notified.